Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Rich Trader channel. Today I'm starting this trading session with a balance of $566 using the compounding strategy. This method is extremely powerful because every profit will be reinvested into the next entry, allowing the account to grow rapidly even from a small balance. I'll show you live how I analyze the market, read signals from the moving averages and MACD indicators, and enter trades with strict discipline according to the rules. The goal is clear. From this $566 balance, we want to see how compounding can scale the account significantly. Watch until the end, because I'll walk you step by step through this strategy and show you how profits can keep stacking up trade after trade. Alright, let's get straight into the market and start trading now. Alright traders, I'm entering a buy position because the MACD has just given us a bullish crossover signal. As we can see, the MACD line has crossed upward above the signal line from below. This crossover is one of the strongest signs that bullish momentum is forming. In addition, the histogram that was previously red has now turned green, with the bars growing longer to the upside. This further confirms that buyers are starting to dominate the market. With these two confirmations, the crossover and the histogram shift, I'm confident the uptrend will continue. That's why I'm taking a buy right now. Let's watch the outcome. Yes, exactly as analyzed, the price is pushing upward. Now we'll open the market again to look for the next opportunity. Alright traders, I'm entering another buy position because the MACD is giving us another strong signal. As you can see, the MACD line is once again crossing above the signal line from below, showing that buyers remain in control and the uptrend has potential to continue. At the same time, the green histogram bars are expanding, confirming that bullish momentum is getting stronger. That's why I'm taking another buy entry at this moment. Let's watch the outcome. Another profit, guys. Now we're ready to open the next market and look for another setup. Alright traders, I'm taking a buy position because we have two strong confirmations from moving averages and MACD at the same time. First, on the chart we can see the green line has just crossed upward above the yellow line. This crossover usually signals the beginning of a new uptrend. Second, almost simultaneously the MACD line has crossed upward above the signal line, with the histogram turning green. This combination strongly confirms bullish momentum with a much higher probability of profit. With these two confirmations aligning, I'm executing a buy now to catch this uptrend move. Let's watch together. Yes, profit guys. Now we're ready to open the next market setup. Alright traders, I'm entering a sell position because the MACD has just given a bearish crossover signal. Notice carefully the MACD line has crossed downward below the signal line, showing that buying momentum is weakening while sellers are taking control. At the same time, the histogram has shifted from green to red, with bars stretching lower, confirming that selling pressure is building up. With this combination of signals, I'm executing a sell now to follow the newly forming downtrend. Let's watch the outcome together. Yes, the price is dropping as analyzed in profit. Let's reopen the market again and look for the next opportunity. Alright traders, I'm entering a sell position because we can clearly see 3 consecutive red candles on the chart. This indicates that selling pressure is very strong and sellers are dominating the market. 3 bearish candles in a row usually signal the beginning of a sustained downtrend. With this momentum, I'm executing a sell now to ride the downside move. Let's watch the result together. Okay, profit. Now we're ready to open the market again and look for the next opportunity. All right, traders, I'm taking a sell position because the market is clearly in a downtrend right now. Notice the recent candles. Yeah, they are all moving consistently below the green line. This shows that selling pressure remains strong and buyers have failed to keep the price above this dynamic support level. Situations like this are strong indications that the bearish trend will likely continue for the next few candles. That's why I'm executing a sell now to follow the trend direction. Let's watch the outcome together. Yes, exactly as analyzed, price is falling again. Now we'll open the market again to look for the next opportunity. All right, traders, I'm entering a sell position because the MACD has just given a bearish crossover signal. As we can see, that MACD line has crossed downward below the signal line. This type of crossover is often a strong sign that the previous uptrend is ending and a new downtrend is beginning. In addition, the histogram that was green has now shifted to red, with bars extending lower. This confirms that selling pressure is increasing and the probability of a downward move is high. With these confirmations, I'm executing a sell now to follow the bearish momentum. Let's watch together. Okay, guys, we made a profit again. Okay, let's open the market again and look for the next opportunity. All right, traders, I'm taking a buy position because the market is clearly in an uptrend. If we look closely, the latest candle has closed above the green line. This indicates that buyers are still in control, and the dynamic support from the green MA is keeping the bullish momentum strong. This kind of setup usually signals that the uptrend will continue for the next few candles. That's why I'm executing a buy now to follow the trend direction. Let's watch the outcome together. Yes, exactly as analyzed. Price is climbing higher and profit again. All right, traders, I'm taking a buy position because the MACD is about to form a bullish crossover. As we can see, the MACD line is moving closer to the signal line from below. That's why I'm entering a buy earlier to catch the move from the very beginning. Let's watch the outcome together. Okay, profit for the last trade. All right, traders, I'll stop the session here for today. The reason is simple, the market is no longer in a good condition to continue, and my balance is already large enough, so I'd rather secure the profits I've made. If you really want to learn this compounding strategy in detail, I recommend joining my VIP group. Inside, you'll get full strategies, accurate trading signals, automated bots, and direct mentorship to help you achieve consistent profits. So if you're serious about learning, join the VIP now. See you in the next trading session.